Time for the one room challenge reveal virtual walkthrough. Oh my gosh, she is always on that rug. We've got the finished cabin bed, some of my props from my photo shoot that I did myself, by the way. I don't have money for a professional. So I found the cutest stuff on Amazon, from Ross, and at Target. These pillow covers were from Amazon. They got here within 2 days. This really, really perfect fitting, cute bedspread was from Sweet JoJo Designs. Also ordered from Amazon. The cutest stuff. Lantern, Amazon find. Rugs, Amazon. Both of them actually, right here. That little really sweet looking bedside table, found that at Ross. It is literally a slice of a tree. This super comfy little throw, found that at Target. This guy's been with us since she was born. Bear was a birthday present, but you'll never guess where I found a toy box. I was searching forever, and I finally looked in my garage, and there was this nasty old box sitting in the corner. So what better use than for a toy box? It was just holding a bunch of books. I'll have to figure out where to put those books, but yep, it's really cute. Fits perfectly in here with the theme. Then we've got the reading nook. So that reading nook with a little lamp. This little lamp right here is something I found from Walmart. It's a Better Home and Gardens lamp, and I was so amazed to find stuff that would actually fit in my theme. We've got a painting that I bought when I studied abroad in Rome. I bought it at Piazza Navona. They have every Sunday, I believe, an art gallery, open air art gallery. Lots of local artists just bring their paintings, and I just had it framed. Beautiful. And if you can tell, is a little bit of the inspiration behind the look of her cabin bed. These were found at Target, only $3. This is a Ross find. We've got Target for the Hearth and Hand stems. I combined it with what I already had to make it a little more woodsy. Amazon metal sculpture. I had the hardest time finding actual wall canvases that would work. So I ended up going with metal art instead and paired it with the metal lanterns over here. They were just sitting around my house collecting dust, so figured they would go well in here. Of course, we still have her hanger for her robes. And the beautiful new floors. Just gorgeous. There, she's back on the rug. We've got new paint throughout, new floors, and just an overall new look for her big girl bedroom. As we leave, we'll just focus back on the cabin bed because I'm so proud of building that.